Welcome back to TJ Studios. My name is Trevor, and today we're going to be reviewing DeWALT's 20-volt impact driver and drill combo kit. So when you purchase this, it retails for around $150. You get a charger, 2 lithium-ion batteries, which are 20 volt. You get the brushless impact driver, the bag, and the brushless drill. So my favorite thing about this kit is probably the price, because for the price it's a really good deal. Getting 2 batteries, a charger, and 2 tools is a great deal for any normal consumer. The quality of both of these are really good. They both have lights on them, LED lights. This is a 2-speed, so you can set it to 2 or 1. It has a drill setting and then 15 other settings up here as well. The clutch is plastic. I know some people prefer a full metal. This is a quick release on the impact driver, which is awesome for removing and attaching bits. Both of these have rubber pads on the sides, both sides, so that you can set your tool down without scratching up your tool, scratching up your table, whatever you're working with. It's really good for that. They have mounts at the bottom for a belt clip, which is awesome if you prefer to have that on your tools. I usually don't. I don't really like them, but some people do. Standard selector here for forward, reverse, and safety, I guess you would say, off. So I am going to demonstrate both of these tools on these 2 2x4s here. So go ahead and move this out of the way. Set that aside. Just set that aside. And the impact driver, I'm using DeWALT's impact driver set here. I'll put all this stuff in the link below. I'll link in the description below so you can check it out. So we're just going to use some standard 2-inch construction screws. Just get a couple of those out. Alright, so when using this tool, it's well balanced. The ergonomics are pretty good. It's comfortable in your hand. The batteries are a little loose here. As you can see, it has a slight shake to it. I haven't found that to be problematic at all, but just a heads up, you know. So the power on these is overall pretty good. So as you can see, it just drove right on into those 2x4s, no problem. And I know if you had a harder wood, this is just standard pine, it'd probably struggle a little more. For most people, if you're just doing a small project, you're just putting something together, this has more than enough power for anything you probably need. So. And I also wouldn't recommend putting your screws that deep. I'm just trying to demonstrate that it is more than capable of doing so. So, like I said, pretty good there. And I will also demonstrate the reverse, if you'd like to see that. No problem there. So now I will demonstrate the drill. I haven't used the drill with any big like spade bits or anything, so I don't really know how it holds up against those, but I would imagine it'd do all right. And I'm using DeWALT's drill bit kit as well, which also will be below in the description. So I'm going to use a bigger bit, you know, to showcase the power. Go ahead and put that in there. Now, you know, make sure I don't drill a hole into the table, because some people will get very upset. as you can see there, it just easily, no problem whatsoever, just goes right through there. And these are new drill bits, so it does help with that. You know, if you have old drill bits or dull, it's obviously it's not really gonna struggle. Your bits are just gonna spin. So if that is your issue, make sure you get some new bits. But relatively, I haven't had any issues with power from either of these tools. They've been everything I've needed for all the projects I've done so far, including this table. We built this table and a second table when we were putting the studio together. No problems whatsoever. So overall, I would give these tools and the combo kit a thumbs up. I would highly recommend it to anybody that's out there looking for a good quality tool set. It's at the 150 price range, somewhere around there. I'll put the exact price in. It's probably a little higher than some of the budget options, but I do think that it's well worth the money. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Drop any comments below if you guys have any more questions or any recommendations. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to see more updates or anything else, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter as well. We really appreciate it. Thanks, and we hope to see you next time.